Hey Josie, we've just been online for about 20 minutes, I think. How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling totally different. I'm feeling absolutely fresh.
Excellent. And how were you feeling 20 minutes ago? Tell the viewers what had happened to
Oh,
you.
I couldn't walk. I couldn't walk. It was my vertebrae, V5, they said,
Yeah,
and it went, and I just couldn't walk. I went to hospital yesterday. I was in an A&E for about 8 hours, and at the end of it, she said it's your vertebrae, normal part of aging, etc.
yeah.
And she didn't give me anything. She just said, you know, see how it goes.
Yeah, well, good you got in touch with me and good we've been able to do a session. Now,
Oh, it is.
one of the surgeon that's been working on you is Dr. Oswaldo Cruz. He specializes in backs and paraplegia. And one of the first things he said, Josie, to you was that you just woke up like this. Can you confirm?
I just woke up. I It was awful. I just woke up and my back was terrible, and I couldn't control my bladder.
Yeah.
It was just awful.
That's right. And so the spirit surgeon was able to say you just woke up like this, which was exactly right. And then as
Yeah.
he started working on you, one of your foot swelled, didn't it?
Oh, it did. The left foot was swollen,
That's right.
and it's gone down now.
Yeah. And then the other thing that happened was suddenly you needed to go to the bathroom, didn't you?
Yeah, I did
Yeah,
desperately.
that's right. And so what that let both of us know was that the spirit surgeon was working on the precise vertebra that was the issue
Yeah,
because it had caused that lack of control of bladder previously.
yeah.
So you've got control of bladder. And as you walk around, how is it feeling now?
It's feeling like almost normal. My feet are feeling like the balance. They didn't feel they were balanced before. I couldn't walk. No kidding, I couldn't walk. I
Yeah,
can walk anywhere. I can walk anywhere now.
it's
And I haven't
pretty,
used my stick once
isn't that
in
good?
in the
And that's just
kitchen.
taken about 20 minutes for Josie. So if you've ever been skeptical about whether this healing works, whether it would work at a distance, Josie and I have been working. I'm in New Zealand, Josie's in the UK. I work on a teddy bear. The teddy bear is a surrogate for Josie or you as I work, and the results are just amazing.
It's
Anything you want to
fantastic.
say to the spirit doctors, Josie?
Thank you thank you very much. And I will devote myself from now on to helping people to thank you for
Oh,
this.
thank you, Josie.
Thank you.